Is algorithm killing your independent thought? Independent thought is not just about having ideas. It's really about slowing down, taking pause, not reacting immediately, and asking why we think what we think before we say. So, I was reading this book the other day called Thinking Fast and Slow by the professor Daniel Kahneman. And in that book, he talks about our thinking process have two systems, system 1 and system 2. System 1 is fast, reactive, and automatic, whereas system 2 is slow, reflective, and takes more effort. Algorithms are mainly designed around system 1. Algorithms reward quick reaction. How fast you like something, how fast you react to something, how fast you click on that link, how fast you move on. Reel after reel, videos after videos. There is no space for you to just stop and reflect upon what you just saw. Your own independent thought doesn't get time to form. Even Nicholas Carr, the author of the book The Shallows, in one of his interviews, he mentions about neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is this brain's amazing ability to form new neural connections, strengthen the old ones, and this way it allows even us as adults to adapt to new experiences. So when we train our brain to process information quickly, even in a distracted and interrupted environment, we are training that part of our brain which is getting good at multitasking. But the part of brain that is responsible for deep thinking, think about the system 2 that I talked earlier, gets neglected. So, in his interview, he quoted this line, "We are slowly losing our attention span." And that interview was 15 years ago, and that statement still holds true. Algorithms don't show us what is important, it shows us what is relevant to us. Mark Zuckerberg once in his Facebook memo long time back said that a squirrel dying in front of your house is more likely to be relevant to you rather than people dying in Africa. It's harsh, it's inhuman, it's insensitive, but it's the reality. So uncomfortable idea starts to disappear, different perspective starts to fade, and so we are rarely thinking beyond what's familiar to us. Lastly, there is a psychological cost to it as well. One moment you see something joyful, the next moment you see something tragic, the next moment you see something funny, and the next moment you might see something disturbing. This emotional fluctuation comes with a cost. Over time, this constant emotional stimulation leads to you feeling numb, and sometimes we can't even explain this numbness we feel inside, kind of like a brain fog. Algorithm don't kill our intelligence, it replaces slow thinking with speed, and this loss doesn't happen in an instant. It happens slowly, gradually, quietly, without us noticing. So, if we don't slow down our thinking, we'll forever lived with borrowed thoughts. Think about it.